How's the enjoyment? The model, the instant outbursting model that's possessing your party. Straight shots. The quality person. Khandan ka quality, blood, gene, everything matters, man. No, not this. Just wait, you will be the extreme of enjoyment. Wait, വിഷമിത് ചോരക്കട പൊട്ടി നാണം കെട്ട നായ outbursting. When do people should know when to put a lock on when to should I have seen that some people are not mind your stories what you're telling. Actually, coronary fraud check first has to have spinal cord. For that, has to have the confidence and born for a single father. That's the thing. And our activities, once we are acting repeatedly, the same crime. Where the control is mother and sister, where the control, what are the activities? Let's obey blindly, will it take in the suckle. Say the quality, that's putting right. I tried my level best to say what is still outbursting. To enjoy the grab offers at UK and because now with the education it is the most model and the thing the entire high class family couldn't achieve. So that's it. It's my sympathy. The quality of the parents. Party. I feel ashamed. It way wasted my valuable time for you kind of a product. Love. Has to born for quality parents to know what he loved. And the for spying agents trapping men for grabbing and looting and murdering. This is what the family college, and that's what explicit. How well the jumping and a crack. How common sense. Nothing. Your all leaders are celebrating. That's what yesterday I called. Yesterday I called all the culture as well. That you're telling that actions would speak very ad paper for you kind of a crack. Still I called these all bastard culture parties. Take a he shirt karma. But literally we'll be checking if you want to live at least as a man and not live there. Get out from that gachara bhutanas party naya. Any prostituting, any check and you also pack up and do it. Actually, that girl will be much better than that your ex-girlfriend. Go and get you married. This jat murder party. Nobody's putting boy only wouldn't hold on to put hot on to Chara. For Priyanka also other setup might be because Robert brother is a Kutana, so might have arranged another setup. Let's see. And daughter also, that's how the entire business can grab hundreds of villas in UK. Charapati, prostitution family. Even the street dogs, they don't have anything. Street fellows, they are living in the own person. That people, they are living in one small room in a market, and then that they have a temple, and they are much there with proud. They are telling, you are taking this gada. That's sort of the quality, khandan, blood. When you born for that quality culture, I have to push for what I did. Culture of party, multi-father born bastard. They tell you that you will Abhishek. Yeah, all the things are there. That's it. All this will fade away. Also, it requires some sadhana thing to know what is using. At least you touch. That's the thing. Get it? Kashi, what was the show? So anyway, the Supreme might be in shock that she couldn't suck in this 1 week, 2 week gap. Shame for the country. Actually, I made a mistake. Otherwise, you double should have been packed at Italy by now. That is the mistake I made and And anyway, nicely utilized the chance. All blind audience, what they will do? Who are all they are telling? Suck, I will suck on the spot. Okay,